Welcome to Cigar Box. I'm Michael Barletta. Join us April 28th, 8 p.m. for a Drew Estate Zoom event. What I've got here is one of my favorite Undercrown 10 cigars. Currently, it's the factory floor, the UC10 Lonsdale. You can shop now at cigarboxpa.com. Purchase a box of the factory floor Lonsdale. You're going to get a UC10 travel humidor. You're going to get a UC10 sidecar lighter, the UC10 knife, and last but not least, with every box purchase of the Undercrown 10 factory floor, you're going to get 5 of these beautiful H99s. In addition to all that, you'll get 10 raffle tickets. So join us April 28th, 8 p.m. for a Zoom event. You can shop now. Check out all the event details at cigarboxpa.com.